Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music in CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on audio at the bottom. And then in here you just click on a sound. This one, click on it. And in here you just click on a three lines a love icon. And then in here you can see many song recommended from a CapCut. You just click the song that you like, maybe this one. You just click on this, and after this you can click on a box plus icon, this one, and finish. So that's how to add a music and CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.